Hello everybody, welcome back to Techno Waves. Today I will show you how to connect your Bluetooth devices to your laptop if it is not working. So let's see. First turn on your Bluetooth speaker. If your previous device is connected with your Bluetooth speaker, so turn off and disconnect or forget this device. Yeah.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Now let's set the mode to the Bluetooth.
The radio mode. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Now let's connect to our laptop. Okay. Here first go to settings and Bluetooth and devices. Now add device. Then Bluetooth, click here. Now it will show you. Here see Artis BT45. Now let's connect.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Yes, now it is connected. This is how. Now let's go to sound settings. Yeah. Come on. Now select this your Bluetooth speaker as a output. Now your sound will play or music will play on your Bluetooth speaker. If you have any issues on connecting your Bluetooth speaker, so reset your Bluetooth speaker, or if have any Bluetooth reset button, so you can click on that. After reset, then try to reconnect your PC. Hope you guys this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe and like the button and hit that bell icon.